Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how you can go ahead and delete your Cameo selfie. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your Snapchat. Once you have opened your Snapchat, you want to simply tap on your top left profile icon. Once you tap on your profile icon, you're going to be on this page right over here, and all you want to do here is tap on the gear icon, which is going to be on the top right of your screen. Finally, once you have done that, scroll down a little bit where you can simply go ahead and see this button which says Cameo. Once you have tapped on that, now on this page where you want to simply go ahead and delete your cameos, you want to tap on this option which says clear my Cameo selfie. So simply click on that and this notification will pop up. Clear my Cameo selfies. This will delete your current Cameo selfie, selected body type and related photo data. You will have to take a new Cameo selfie to be able to access cameos. Now you want to simply go ahead and tap on clear. And there you go. It's as simple as that in order for you to go ahead and clear your Cameo selfie. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.